I researched hundreds of faceless YouTube niches and found the 5 that will make you the most amount of money in 2024. The great thing about these niches is that they work perfectly with YouTube automation. Let's get right into it. Number 5 on the list is the gaming niche. Who wouldn't want to get paid to play video games? This niche holds strong in 2024 because it has so much opportunity to make money, not only with ad revenue, but with sponsorships, brand deals, merch sales, live streams, and crowdfunding platforms like Patreon. 2024 is one of the biggest years for gaming, with the release of top titles like GTA 6 coming up at the end of the year. Creators have built entire channels off of playing a single game. You already play video games. Bro, why did you shoot me? I was literally on a Hot Pocket break. Why not record your screen, throw some commentary on top, and possibly make 6 figures per year like these channels? Coming in at number 4 is the psychology niche. I know that you see tons of psychology channels already, but here is why these types of videos have always and will always make some serious bank. People nowadays spend more time on the internet than ever before, instead of socializing and actually living their lives. Depression, anxiety, and mental distress are on the rise, and people are seeking answers now more than ever. People are growing tired of all the fakeness on social media and in the world. More and more, crowds of people are waking up and trying to discover themselves and who they truly are. The psychology niche is one of the most searched niches on YouTube, and it will only grow bigger. The third highest paying niche of 2024 is the celebrity news niche. This niche is super easy to make money in because it's really simple to create content for. Plus, there are always new stories and events happening with celebrities, politicians, and other famous people, so you'll never run out of things to talk about. They earn anywhere from $6,000 to $27,000 per month. And this is not including all of the side deals they are making on and off of YouTube. Here is how easy it is to start a celebrity news channel. Download the Google Chrome Harpa AI extension to act as your AI assistant, or you can use ChatGPT as well. Start following websites like US Magazine and TMZ for the latest in celebrity news. Make sure you sign up to their mailing lists and social media to get the absolute freshest content as soon as it comes out. The idea here is to ride a trend. Much like surfing, you need to position yourself in front of the wave to catch it and ride it. Once that trend has passed, you position yourself in front of another wave to ride the next one. After you've spotted a great trending wave, you go to the article or blog post, click on the Harpa sidebar, and ask it to repurpose the article as a YouTube script. Copy and paste the script into a website like 11 Labs, which will create the most realistic sounding AI voiceover for your celebrity videos. The reason I use 11 Labs is because they not only have crazy good voiceovers, but you can also clone your own voice and use it as much as possible without having to ever record your voice again. The link is in the description below. Grab that voiceover, put it into an editing software like CapCut or Canva, and simply drag pictures or video clips of celebrities onto the voiceover, and you're done. Easy and simple, yet very profitable. Don't forget to add that enticing and irresistible thumbnail to make people want to click. If you don't know how to make viral thumbnails, you can download my free viral thumbnail checklist, which will show you exactly how to create thumbnails that virtually force people to click on your video. Remember, if people don't click your thumbnail, they will not watch your video. The free thumbnail checklist link is in the description below. And while you're down there, please hit that like button, and don't forget to subscribe if you want to stay up to date with the latest and greatest ways to make money on YouTube. This next niche is so great because you can start making a lot of money with it, even if you have no subscribers on your channel. It's called the tech and gadgets niche. The reason why this type of content is so lucrative is because not only is the CPM one of the highest on YouTube, but you can make so much money from just affiliate links alone. Check out all of these money-making links from just one video. It's quite brilliant, actually. Channels like this make videos which are essentially a bunch of different product advertisements strung together in an engaging and fun way. You can do exactly the same as these channels by either copying their videos and using your own Amazon or other website affiliate links. Or you can find your own affiliate products scattered across the internet. Just like all the other niches in this list, you can make the video using only YouTube automation for quick and easy content creation. Before we move on to the last niche, I want to give you some extra value that could possibly double or triple the amount of money you make with these niches. You could combine different niches like the psychology and celebrity niche and make it about the inner workings of the celebrity mind. Or you can get really creative and combine videos like gaming and tech for a super niche. Could you imagine getting the high CPM money for playing video games, while at the same time selling gaming tech through affiliate links? The possibilities are endless. The final one on our top 5 is the health niche. This one goes hand in hand with the psychology niche because they both support each other with the mind and body connection. More people worldwide are shifting into a more healthy lifestyle, now more than ever. People are smoking less, eating cleaner organic foods, practicing meditation, going to the gym, and living overall healthier lifestyles. The health niche is stronger than it has ever been and continues to get stronger. Not only is the CPM very high, but there are millions of affiliate products and merch to sell and sponsors to work with even before you reach that 1,000 subscriber mark. The videos are very easy to make using standard free B-roll and different types of YouTube automation. Channels like this one are making anywhere from $5,000 to $10,000 per month, not including all the other monetization methods, which would be more like $30,000 per month. Also, if you are just getting started or are at an intermediate level on YouTube, check out my full comprehensive course on how to succeed at making faceless videos through YouTube automation. We dive deep into the subconscious mind of the viewer and show you how to create viral thumbnails, titles, and videos that will make you successful on YouTube so that you can live your life on your terms. The link is down below in the description. If you want to see how I made $1,000 off of one single faceless YouTube video, click right here.